How to move Dropbox to a different drive. What you're going to do is come here at the bottom right, click on Show Hidden Icons, and you'll see your Dropbox right here. If you don't see this right here, you need to open up the app first. Go to search and just search for Dropbox and open up the app. Okay. It's really easy and simple. Once you do that, you will see it right here at the bottom. So I see right here, so I'm going to click on it. And then what you're going to do here is on the top right, you will see your profile icon. Click on it. Then just click on Preferences. Now, what I want you to do once this loads up is I want you to go to Sync. This last option right here. Scroll all the way down and you'll see your Dropbox folder location. If you want to change it, just come here and click on Change Location. Now I'm going to move this whole Dropbox to a different drive. Scroll all the way down. I have an external drive right here. External local disk F. Choose this and just click on Select. And now we have changed our whole Dropbox folder location. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So it'll ask you a pop-up. If you're sure, just click on Move and it's done.